Hi everybody. How's everybody doing today? Today is what's today's date? This morning we had an extra hour of sleep. Actually, I feel pretty good. It did me some good. I got up early this morning. Well, an hour. I don't know if it was early or not. I got up probably about 7 o'clock, so it would have been about 6 if we hadn't fell back in time. So I went around my house early this morning and I set all the clocks, all the alarm clocks, all the wall clocks. There are a lot of clocks in this house, So we woke up this morning and we went around and we made sure that clocks were set. And the next thing that I need to do is go ahead on and here we go with these carbon monoxide detectors. I have two of these in my house. One is I have in the kind of like in the living room, in the hallway in the living room. And then the other one I have downstairs in my basement / theater room. And so what I'm going to do right now, this is the first alert carbon monoxide detector. And what I'm going to go ahead and do right now, since I have to change the battery, I decided I'd go ahead on and do this, make a video out of it, because a lot of times people don't know, how to change batteries in gadgets like this. So what I'm going to do is show you. This requires a 9-volt battery. All right, so I have a 9-volt battery right here for each detector. And what I'm going to do now is show you how to replace the battery. So what I'm going to do now, here's the back. And it's a little compartment right here. What you do, because I don't want to mess up my nails. So we're going to open this, grab and push up on it and open that. Okay. Let me try to open this. I don't know why it's so hard. Okay. So got this open, and that's where the battery would go to. So I'm going to go ahead on and take out the battery. And then I'm going to replace the battery. Pushed in. And I'm going to go ahead on and close that up. And so let's go ahead on and replace the other detector. Open the back. Now it's time to test the carbon monoxide detectors. Here, push. So there we go. Both of these, we've changed the batteries, and now we need to go ahead on and place them on the wall.